What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be working on my new to me Z125. This little thing's been pretty sweet so far, but I kind of want to make it into like a little mini stunt bike. So I hit up Amazon and this is what we got. We got some nice Pro Taper pillow grips. These are really comfortable. I've used them before. And then I got a 1-finger clutch lever, Amazon special, so we'll see how that goes on. We got some pit bike bars, and we got a 12 bar. So let me go ahead and get something to open this real quick, and I'll show you what's in here. All right. Well, it doesn't look too bad. It's a little plate. Let's see what's all in here. Well, never heard of that before. Instructions, I guess. Don't need those. Extomer, upgrade your motorcycle. Get rid of that. Let's see. So, sweet. Well, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and get these pegs mounted up and get this thing together, and then we'll go ahead and put it on the bike. All right, well, I got the plate mounted and just right there. All right, now it's just these 4 10 mils in here. I'm gonna just go ahead and fast forward this part. All right, got all those bolts undone. Now to get the blinkers undone, you just wanna pull up on here. Then you can pull up on this one, and then the clip for them. I'm trying to hold the camera and my phone. The clip is just right there. Just push down and pull up. All right, got those unhooked. Now it should kind of just fish its way kind of through here. Like that. So now just mount this right back up in the same spot. Well, I finally got it on. I ended up using the little spacer bolts. I'm not sure if I was supposed to use those or not, but I mean, it feels pretty sturdy. You know, I can pick up the bike with it. So I guess now I'm gonna throw on the Amazon bars. So I ran into an issue. These have this little nub that sticks out, and the stock bars have a little hole, and you can put the nub inside the hole like that, and it clips in, and it kind of just helps the control from moving around. And my new bars don't have that, and it's like 11 o'clock at night, and I don't have a drill bit. So I have to wait until tomorrow morning to go get a drill bit so I can drill a hole. So I'll see you in the morning. Hi guys, so we got the bars installed, got the grips installed, got the 1-finger clutch installed, and it actually looks really good all together. I guess we're gonna go out and test it all out and kind of see how everything works. It's been raining a little bit here, so I haven't really gotten a chance to ride as much as what I've wanted to. But we'll go test out this 12 bar and see how this clutch is. Now, one thing I forgot to mention that I did is I put a smaller sprocket up on the front, just it kind of helps with the pop. I mean, the one bigger clutch feels really good. It pops right up. It feels really nice. I think we'll turn here. Alright, so now we can test out the 12 bar. I'm just going to do a staggered and see how this goes. I'm just going to do the second gear. I'm just going to pop it really hard. Get it right up to that point. And every time, this road never has cars, but I come to film on it and people just want to come out. It may be because it's a Saturday, but I don't know. It's kind of irritating. All right, I'm gonna pop up another one. Try that again. Before the stop sign. Stop that, write that down. In here. What? I've never seen that before. I kind of want to ride across it. Sick. Go up on this path and somebody's out. Now this is the actual close course. You can't really get mad at it. A nice little spot to try to do some circle wheelies. Let's see. Haven't been able to do these in a while. I really want an idle adjuster. I think that'd be really cool. Kind of just crank the idle up just a hair. I think that would help a lot. Start bringing in a little tighter. All right, got you guys set up over here with my phone, so hopefully you guys can get a nice little
third-person view. One thing about putting different bars on your bike too that I didn't think of is there's like this little like clip, and it goes into your stock clutch, and you can start your bike in pretty much any gear. But on this one, since I had to unplug that, it only starts in neutral now. So I wonder if she likes circle wheelies. I'll give her a nice one. Oh, she's just starting to crash away. Little jump. Yeah, overall the new parts actually seem a lot better than all the stock ones. So yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.